Hi Maria, here's your Flip Chip Blue 2017 Buick Cascada. This Cascada comes with a 2.0 liter turbo engine, has a jet black leather heat resistant interior, comes with 19-inch wheels. As we enter, we see the jet black interior. We look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. We're going to see features such as cruise control, radio volume, Bluetooth, forward collision alert controls on the steering wheel. This Cascada has parking assist as well. A look at the screen and we see features such as XM radio, OnStar, and has a wireless hotspot with 4G LTE strength. The convertible top opens up while we drive down the road up to about 30 miles an hour as well. Ooh, feel that breeze. Maria, please contact me, Jeff Waterhouse, at 561-278-3217, extension 2641. So I can show you the Flip Chip Blue Cascada. Have a good day.